Hey guys, so we are on day 5 of recapping Brian Walshe's trial in connection to his wife Anna Walshe's death. Today, digital forensic analyst Trooper Connor Keefe finished his testimony on direct examination. He had answered questions about search histories found on Brian Walshe's devices and data tracking his phones near trash sites and stores as prosecutors attempt to explain how his wife was dismembered and how she was disposed of. He shared text messages between Brian and Anna. He read some texts after she was last seen. He was texting her things like, "Where are you? The boys and I are worried." And remember, at this point, he's already admitted that Anna Walshe had died in bed and he panicked and dismembered her and disposed of her. So this actually shows that he was setting up a narrative. During cross-examination, the defense attorney Larry Tipton actually asked Keefe to read additional searches about movies, champagne, and wine that Brian had made, and Larry was basically trying to showcase that, yeah, Brian was searching nefarious things, but he was also searching normal things as well, which to me is weird, especially because at this point, Brian has already admitted to knowing his wife was dead, so the fact that he was acting normal and doing normal things, it's just a strange defense. Tipton also asked if there were any messages found between Anna and Will on Brian's phone or any of his devices. Keefe said that there were not. He also asked about Facebook Messenger. Keefe also said that he didn't. The defense is trying to paint this narrative that Brian didn't know about the affair his wife was having on him, trying to eliminate that as being a possible motive. But remember, the prosecution is also implying that not only could Brian have snapped due to anger over this affair, but also due to money and financial issues he was experiencing. Heather Sullivan, a retired Massachusetts State Police trooper, was on the stand next as prosecutors entered into evidence a series of hand tools found during the search of dumpsters at different apartment complexes throughout Massachusetts. Brian was seen not only throwing things into these dumpsters, but his phone was pinging around these dumpsters as well. The photos that we saw the other day and that the jury saw, this one right here, she actually took. She also showed some of the tools to the jury from an evidence bag so that they could see just what Brian was disposing of. And then after her testimony, Dr. Richard Atkinson from the Office of the Chief Medical Examiner was called to testify about his review of evidence from the case, but he really didn't get to begin as court was adjourned early. So we will continue to recap day 6 on Monday. Make sure you guys are following me. What do you guys think about all of this? Let me know in the comments.